So I'm hiking across the island of Roatan. It's a very narrow tip. And we're on Foster's Field, and look at these views. So now you're looking at the wild side of the island. It's all iron shore, lava rock, no beaches. Very scenic, very quiet. And on the hill are beautiful homes, very expensive, and they live up there because they get the breeze, which you need in the summertime. A hummingbird feeding on these beautiful flowers. Beautiful stretch. What is this area called?
Lighthouse or Turtle Crossing, I forget which.
Turtle Crossing, Lighthouse, and we're now on a paved road. These are all individual houses built here. Beautiful views. Some people. Well, it's been raining today, this morning, and now you can see the iron shore. Well, it's why it's called that. All those black rocks sticking up. That's lava. Hard rock, jagged lava. This iron shore is all lava rock. So people live here because it's quiet, and they obviously would have a car that they can go to other parts of the island. But if you want beaches, this is not the shore to be on. So we just took a path and 10 minutes from where I'm staying, near West Bay. We're across the island and already on the other side of the island. Very short walk. It's actually quite stunning. So this is Lighthouse Hotel. Wow, look at this. $800 a night, boutique hotel. There's tons of rentals all around here. This is where we came from for our walk. Here's the entranceway to it, number 73. Fantastic. So now we're walking down another walkway to the ocean again. We're still on the iron shore. We're at the tip of the island, and it's got a little lighthouse in the background, not used at this point. So we're at right at the tip of the island. We're in front of the hotel, and they've got a private promenade all along the area here. Wow, this is the wild side. I'm in a little beach attached to the resort, Meridian Hotel Resort, and there's nobody here. It's just fantastic. You can see dive boats or fishing boats in the horizon there, probably fishing ones, and there's big waves, big waves. Not much swimming because this is it. It's a cove full of coral, and yeah, it's not deep enough to swim or snorkel. But there's a boat moored on the other side, so I'm going to explore that. And I met two people on the beach. They live in a condo all winter in this remote area, but it's only a 5-minute drive from the beaches if you have a car. Guess what I found? A cool-off pool. It's called the Sunset Pool because you sit in it and watch the sunset at night. And the people said I could just hop in. I just need to find a place to rinse my feet. And I'm gonna cool off. This is astounding. So they have a path all the way along the front of the hotel, along the shoreline here. All islands have a windy wild, wavy side, and this is it. This is the Iron Shore, they call it. Way in the distance there. So here's a sign showing what we explored, Lighthouse Estates. We walked all through it, all on the Iron Shore. It was well worth the walk, only 30 minutes. And now that road comes from Meridian Hotel at the point. And now we're looking at the road that's going to lead down towards West Bay Beach. Only 10-minute walk from the top of the hill here.